it has come to pass that the tactical genius Pep Guardiola and his impressive Manchester City team have marched into the Champions League final. And you know the Maverick have my differences with Pep and Man City over the years for literally stopping my Liverpool from winning 2 or 3 more EPL titles. But you know what? Let bygones be bygones. This Manchester City team has assembled and has coached by Pep Guardiola is a joy to watch. I go further. Manchester City is the best football team in the world. And it can be argued Pep Guardiola is the best coach in the business right now. I never said the GOAT. That verdict is still out. But for here and now, all things considered, they're well on course to finally win that coveted European Champions League title. Now, having said all that now, Inter Milan may carry for the Champions League final. Inter for my money. Go Inter, go Inter, go Inter, go Inter, go Inter, go Inter.